Happy Vlogmas Day 4! And we are starting off by me learning a new thing today.
Liz does not know how to use a
Stop
Keurig.
Snapchatting me! I've never used one before. So this is my Christmas mug. And this is the K-cup that I'm going to use. And this is the first time I'm doing this. So can you show me?
So there's water in already.
Yeah.
Okay, you gotta put your mug there.
Okay.
And then you lift up, your coffee goes, and then you close it, and then you press the cup size you want. We'll go with large.
You think it's a large?
You got enough room.
Bottoms up! Thank you.
First Keurig experience.
Thank you. My little snowman mug that's got a chip in the nose.
All you need is like a little candy cane.
Oh, that would have been cute. You can tell that I'm a little bit extra when it comes to the holidays because of one, Liz. Maybe it's cold outside, and then it even wears its own Santa hat. I'm so extra. So during the morning show today, we have Joe Real coming in. We've got some lotto tickets. We have some lotto tickets to give away, and then we're live at the mall. A long, busy day. Hold on, find them on Facebook or Main Street in New York Mills.
Guess what? Don't be a scaredy cat. Cat's out of the bag.
Cat is out of the bag for sure. We are going to be live at the mall all this week as the kids of them hang out for the Fidelis Care Step the Bus toy drive. We're collecting new unwrapped toys in the middle of Singertown Square. We have a bus. We are stuffing a bus inside the mall. As you can tell, I have no chill about it. Are you getting ready to go to the mall? Eating?
Fuel it up.
Okay, so I got a little treat.
What we got?
For you. What?
Oh, you got him.
Wait.
Hold on. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Okay, I figured, you know,
Healthy.
yeah, makes you look a little
Should I put it
more
on now?
festive. It's up to you.
Okay. I guess we're changing.
Perfect. Good thing you didn't wear the red shirt.
See?
Yeah.
You yelled at me.
I didn't think about it. Forgot about that. I had it. Okay, so have you seen the crock pot that's inside?
No, but
In the
I just
kitchen?
assume there's one there.
Cause explain to the Vlogmas what we do on Mondays.
Okay, on Mondays, everybody, well not everybody, me, Liz, Grant, or Nikki, or Lauren, we switch Mondays and everybody brings something in a crock pot, so we have crock pot Mondays.
Yeah. And
This week is Nikki's turn.
yeah, and it smells delicious. Like
What is it?
It's potato soup.
Can I eat it now?
She goes to me, she goes, it's actually ready to go at 10 o'clock because Alex always complains about wanting to eat early.
Well, we do wake up at 4 in the morning.
But then you sit there and you store on, I just want my crock pot meal.
I'm starving right now, so thank you, Nikki.
Oh wait, the two of you are here? Wait, come here.
Jeez. Yeah. This is the most apparel I've gotten ever.
I know. That's amazing.
So,
Elf Squad!
Elf Squad for sure.
Oh, God, runs deep.
Ready for this? Oh, yes. Some extra cheese, a little bit of bacon. Good to go. So I just got the cutest package from Kitty Drugs about like their Hallmark line that they have inside, and they sent me this. I can talk like an elf. We gotta go use it on people. Come on. Hi Alex, how are you?
What the heck is that?
I'm talking like an elf.
I should answer the phone like that. Elves don't have a laugh though, they just have pointy ears.
They have a laugh.
What do you mean a laugh? They just have pointy ears. Elves laugh.
Yeah, but they don't have like a creepy laugh or like a certain laugh.
Oh, fair. I guess you could say they giggle, but like. Did you hear I can talk like an elf? Kitty Drugs just sent me a bunch of stuff.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
What the hell happened to my voice?
Isn't that cool? Isn't that the coolest thing ever? No, I just got one.
Oh, dear.
Sorry. You can get one at Kenny Drugs though.
I hear anything over it. No.
Here, do it again.
Talk longer so people actually know.
Hello? There's potato soup in the kitchen.
So I don't think Kenny Drugs realize how like Christmas I am, but they sent me a little packaging. One, they sent me a gift bag with, not only did they send me, they also talk like an elf toy, which is a Hallmark exclusive. They also sent me this little Snoopy. Send me that.
You saw that elf thing?
Yeah. It's gonna be the most popular thing. Oh. What's Pro Media page?
Lisa Rozier, your husband's looking for you.
They sent me Christmas cards. This is probably the most exciting part. I love Christmas cards. I especially love Hallmark Christmas cards. And now I have a ton of them. Can't judge a Christmas card by its cover. Oh, this is a gift card one. Christmas, that's really pretty. My grandma would probably like that one. Yeah.
Oh. Do that? I
Do you want to talk like an elf?
No.
Are you sure? You can do the whole talk camp out like this. No? Oh, cute. Should your Christmas be merry? Oh, this one sings. Shut up. That's so cute. Cute little Christmas train. These ones are my favorite. The signature collection they've always been my favorite. And this one, I kind of want to frame this one. Very cute. Thanks, Kenny. And one of the things, Kenny Drugs sent me this talk like an elf toy.
I need that. I'm going on air with it.
Yeah. It's lit.
Ooh, 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 oh.
How you feeling so far? I'm hungry. Yeah, what do you want me to go get? You're hanging out, chilling like a villain. We're at the mall.
Tell me how Liz gets here after me and eats before me.
I asked you if you wanted something, and you didn't answer.
What'd you get? What'd you get? What'd you get?
I got some sushi. Oh, I got more sushi than I think I had. Ooh, look at those ones.
Ooh, what's that?
I think this is a shrimp something. It just looks good. I think I'm officially tired. So my voice is starting to go, but I wanted to show you the progress of the bus so far. And for day one, this is amazing. Thank you so much. We're gonna keep it going. And I think the coolest thing is you can see the toys from the window. Oh. And I am home now. With my cat. Hi, Boo-Boo. Hi, pretty. Why are you so handsome? Oh, I think it's time we do the advent calendars because I am feeling a treat. Ooh, right here. Oh, I'm definitely not gonna like this one. Oh, it's a baked apple. Oh, I gotta try this one. I'm a fan.